everyone, Kayley here. Today we are doing one of my favorite videos of the year, Christmas morning hairstyles. I've been doing this series for 5 or 6 years now, and it's one of my favorite. The whole thing is about having quick, easy, and cute hair that you can do for Christmas, whether you just want to feel festive, whether you want to look cute in family pictures, whether you want pictures for Insta, all of the above, whatever it is, I got you. And these will also work super well throughout the year, even when it's not Christmas time. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. For our first hairstyle, we have a very low maintenance side ponytail. I had my curly girls in mind for this hairstyle, but I think it could be really cute with straight or curled hair as well. You're gonna really go for the hair flip, just kind of like rake the hair over as much as you can. And then, plot twist, you're gonna bring your hair over to the other side from where your hair is parted. To keep little layers from falling out on this side all day long, I'm going to twist the hair at the nape of the neck and then pin into it to hold it in place. And now secure it with an elastic, or in this case, a festive scrunchie. And there you go, quick, easy, cute, and looks cute from the front in pictures. And now we have a cute little half updo with a micro braid. So for this hairstyle, you're gonna start by taking a large section of hair from one side of your head, sweeping it back and twisting it once or twice before securing with a bobby pin. And I recommend pinning up and into the twist for maximum hold. Then do the same thing on the other side, making sure to leave enough hair for the micro braid we're gonna do next. You're gonna cross this over the previous section and again pin up and into the twist to disguise the bobby pins. And now for the braid, grab that extra hair that you left, braid it, and pin it following the line of the previous hair that we pinned. And now you can be done, but if you want to, you can add some hair accessories. I went with these pearls just for a little bit more festive vibes. And that is the half updo. This one looks great from the front and the back, so it's great for maximum picture taking. And now it's time for a go-to staple, the top knot. Feel like you guys know where I'm going with this. You're gonna brush your hair into a high ponytail, and then you're going to create your top knot. I like to back comb slightly, and then I smooth over the top. That part is important, so your bun doesn't end up looking crazy. Then I twist it loosely, wrap it into the bun, and pin it in place. So now this is where we're gonna get fancy. I'm actually gonna take down some pieces around my face for framing and cozy vibes. And then I'm going to add in a festive scrunchie, which you can skip or you can sub with another festive hair accessory of your choice. And that's it for this hairstyle. I think this one is both very practical and very pretty, and it doesn't take a lot of work either, which makes it perfect. And now let's jump into these braided pigtails. You are obviously going to start by splitting your hair in half, and then I'm going to work on one side at a time. First, you're going to secure the hair with an elastic. Now I'm going to cover this elastic with a small piece of hair. You can either wrap the hair around the elastic and bobby pin it, or you can use the topsy tail to pull the end through, which is significantly easier. These are the best. I got them in a pack of 10. And they're just so little, they go into any hairstyle without making a big mess like some of the bigger topsy tails do. Then you're going to braid the hair for a couple of inches. I'm doing a fishtail braid, and secure it with another elastic. And now I'm going to pull the braid apart just a little bit and then wrap around the elastic with a small piece of hair. And now I'm going to do another couple inches of braid and secure with an elastic and wrap that elastic as well. And I think that's all I can do for my hair length. If you have longer hair, you could always do more. It just depends on what you want. And there you go, one side done. Now I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. And there's the braided pigtails. These are just so cute. I never want to take them out. They're just a lot of fun to wear, and I think would be fantastic in pictures. And finally, we have this braided ponytail. This is super duper easy. You're gonna pull your hair into a ponytail, make sure that your hair is framing the face the way that you like, and then just take a section of hair and braid it all the way down, secure it with an elastic, and then wrap it around the elastic of your ponytail. Then you're gonna pin that in place, and this hairstyle is done. I actually really love wearing this hairstyle. I think it would be beautiful for any Insta pics you take, and it's a very easy and fast way to get your hair done. And there you go, those are all of our Christmas morning hairstyles. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I am so excited for Christmas Day and wearing like my little Christmas pajamas and my hairstyles. And actually, I was wondering, do you guys, is this my family, do you guys get dedicated Christmas pajamas and wear them to open presents? Or do you just wear whatever pajamas? Or do you wear like normal clothes? What is the protocol in your house? Because we go full out, like, get dedicated pajamas for Christmas and open them the night before. I'm just curious if that's just my family being just the most. Anyway, that is it for this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. It helps support my channel. And you can hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video from me again. And I'm going to be back next week with some more holiday hairstyles because we still have New Year's Eve to come. So I want to give you guys some bomb hair inspo. I'll be back then. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah! Bye. Doggy.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Okay. Thank you.
Come here.
Thank you.
Gina, come.
Cosima,
Come.
Cosima.
Wait, did I just do that with 3 hair elastics and I lost no hairs to the hair elastics? Oh my goodness! It's a Christmas miracle. Gosh darn, golly gee willikers, Kelly Clarkson.